What's it worth to you? When asked that question by a buyer, most people would quote a dollar amount. Oskar Schindler eventually answered with people. A wealthy German industrialist who initially shared the Nazi perception of the Jews, Schindler had a change of heart and realized he couldn't stand idly by as the Jews were eradicated during World War II. Using his vast fortune to, in a sense, purchase freedom for his Jewish workers, he began to evaluate every possession by the amount of lives it could save. Unknowingly, Schindler had stumbled onto God's way of trading. Calling 2 Corinthians 5:21 the deal of a lifetime actually undersells it. Here, Paul writes to the Corinthians explaining the believer's role to introduce others to Jesus. He offers a simple, clear explanation of what theologians call substitutionary atonement. God made him who had no sin, that's Jesus, to be sin for us, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God. Jesus offered up his perfect, righteous standing before God and, in return, received the wrath we deserved. But he also had the long-term view in mind. Missionary and martyr Jim Elliot put it like this: "He is no fool who gives up what he cannot keep to gain that which he cannot lose." Jesus leveraged his life for our eternity, enduring excruciating pain in order to defeat death once and for all. Because of Jesus' willingness to offer up his life, we've gained eternal life. Now we have the privilege of doing the same in a small way. We can trade our time, our money, our reputation to help introduce others to Christ. Every one of our possessions comes with an expiration date, unless we choose to invest eternally. Follow Jesus' trade rules, and you'll always come out on the winning side.